Hi guys, good evening. Hope you all are doing fine. It's a beautiful evening in the garden of my apartment, and I just thought of connecting with you all over something which I thought can make a lot of difference because it's a general human perception. It is our idea, and somewhere we all are similar in how we feel, how we perceive things, and this small thing can make a lot of difference. So think about a hypothetical situation. You are having an ice cream or something which you, maybe not ice cream, related to something which you like very much, popcorn or burger or some dessert, something like that, and see and observe how you feel eating it, relishing it, just enjoying every bite. And the moment you are done, you feel uh, it went off too fast and you did not even realize it. Do you feel it that way or not? All of us do that. When we are in that phase, when we are indulging into something which we like very much, we don't uh, understand how time is passing. Like, it passes off very quickly. So like it is said that time passes at different speed for different people. Like, when you are in a different state, time will pass in a different state. When you are in a different state, time will pass in a different state. It happens with all of us. Now I give the example of something which you like very much. Think about a situation when you are made to have something which you don't like. Take for example a raw salad or something which takes a lot of energy for you to chew. So because you don't like it, when you are eating it, you are making an effort, you are chewing, you are trying to bite it, and you get tired thinking that when it is going to end. Or something which you don't like, just think about it. How does it feel to you? It will feel like a humongous task. It will feel like some kind of ordeal that you are constantly trying for the thing to get over, but it is not getting over. So these are two situations: something which is pleasurable, something which is favorable, and something which you don't like, something which is not as inviting as you would otherwise want. So in these two situations, even if the time is same, your perception of it is not truly same. So now take this analogy forward and think about you in a comfortable zone where you are healthy, where you are wealthy, where you are fine, where you're doing everything that you like and you are able to do. You are spending time accordingly, you are going out, having a holiday, watching movies, and everything is all fine with your world. Do you understand that how much time it is taking, or what you are doing, how morning happens and how night happens and how day goes? You will not know because you are busy enjoying life. Now when it is your healing phase, when you are confronted with a situation which is difficult, when you have some health issue and you are taking medication, you are taking supplements, you are working on yourself, you are doing your pranayama, you are doing your meditation, you are doing your yoga, and also you are on a restrictive diet so that you can heal yourself. So all the food that used to cause you a trigger are removed from your diet, so which potentially can be something which you like. For example, coffee. Many people like coffee, and it is removed from your food because it can trigger your inflammation, and you are on a protocol. So you have 3 months to heal from this, and every day that you pass through that, every single day, every single second, every hour, every minute, by the end of one single day you feel, my god, today I have passed one day. And it takes so much of an effort to pass one day. So we all have 24 hours. So when you were enjoying your life, having all the comforts and having the best time of your life, that time also it was 24 hours one day, and now also it's one. But your perception of passing that time is slow, it is painful, it is rigorous. So while you are healing, you are in that zone where everything seems difficult and you feel that the time is not passing. And that is why healing looks difficult, healing is painful. uh, Generally, our thought, our perception, human nature is, we have an enhanced sense of perceptions for things which we don't like, which is not comfortable to the mind. And that is why when you are on a diet protocol, when you are on a healing protocol, or when you are trying to lose weight, when you are going to get into an exercise regime, when you are working on your fitness, your mind tells you that it is very long, it is very far fetched, it is moving at a slow pace. But is it really moving at a slow pace? No, it's your mind telling you, because your brain perceives it as something which is not keeping you in your comfortable zone. Brain likes things which is comfortable to it, which is familiar to it. So anything which is not comfortable, anything which is difficult, is perceived with slow passage of time. And here is the thing which can make a difference. Like, if you keep on doing it without having to grasp so much about that you are not able to do this, you are not able to enjoy this, you are not able to indulge in things which you like. So your enhanced sense of perception about things which you are not able to do, or things which you are made to do because of the protocol you are in, can make your healing, or can make your journey into it difficult for you. So I hope you understand the difference between enhanced sense of perception for things which are not easy for you, be it your healing, be it your coming into a routine, your lifestyle. So once you wrap your head around this, that it is going to be this way, but I have to walk the journey, I have to go into the process, I have to follow it. Any kind of change is not comfortable. Any kind of something new will always be difficult in the beginning. And the more and more I embrace it, the more and more I let my mind be open about what is going to come, the more I am able to absorb it, more I am able to grasp what it is going to give me. So it all begins from your end, and it all comes back to you. So if you are able to put in that kind of work in your healing, in your journey, in your lifestyle, in your discipline, the rewards are going to be manifold. You are going to all get it back from there, because however hard, difficult and gruesome it might feel, you are the benefactor, you are the person who is going to get all the rewards from it, be it your lifestyle, coming on the other side of your healing and feeling better with your health. Because ultimately, if you have got good health, you have strong feet to stand on. If you are successful in life, but if you are not healthy, just think about you are getting a reward, you are getting an award somewhere, and you are going to make a speech. How strongly you are standing on your feet? Ask yourself. If you don't have that health, will you be able to deliver that energy in your speech? No, right? So it always takes an effort to invest in health, and however hard or difficult or your perceived sense of passing of time or your healing journey is, it will come to an end. There is an end, there is a way out of it. You will have a good day. The only thing is, stop getting attached to how much pain it is taking you to be on the other side, how much effort. Start rewarding yourself for small efforts that you're taking. That way your mind is going to support you, that way your mind is going to help you take a next step. Notch it up, take it a scale up, and do it a little more next time, a little more next time. So while you are making an effort, make sure to reward your mind just by indulging in some kind of activity which gives you pleasure. That way you build a great relationship, a beautiful camaraderie between yourself and your mind, where your mind is cooperating you in your effort, and you are rewarding the mind back with some kind of bonus. So it's a synergy, mind and you. And beautiful, how beautifully you can come on the other side if you build this kind of rapport between you and your mind. And it is always very important to take on small tasks, so that you don't give shock to your mind. So the whole idea, the whole message is this, that however enhanced your sense, your perception of your pain is, keep going forward. And if you are indulging in an ice cream, it might please your senses, but it is a salad which is going to make you healthy. So while we have ice creams and desserts in our life, but the whole course of our life has to be that we indulge in more salads, more vegetables, more complex carbs, so that we have scope for ice creams in our life. So even if the perception of your pain or your challenge or the effort that you are taking is humongous, keep doing it despite everything that you are facing. Just keep moving forward. This is my message for the day, and I'm so very happy to connect with you guys again. If you have any queries, please do let me know, and stay happy, stay blessed, and stay healthy always. Love you guys. Bye.